What if the same pillow you hug every night is the reason you wake up feeling like a trailer will run over your neck? Cranky, stiff, tired? Here's the truth. A bad pillow can wreck your neck faster than carrying a heavy load on that same neck. And most Nigerians sleep on the wrong pillow and don't even know it. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can reverse the pain and avoid it for good. My name is Olisa. I have been in the industry for over 2 decades. I've seen what works. Just give me a few more moments and I'll show you how to fix this. Imagine this. You're a 32-year-old tech bro in Lagos, chasing your clients from VI to Lagos. You go to bed by midnight, then you wake up at 6 a.m. feeling like you've been beaten up in your dream. Here's why. That old pillow, though flat and lifeless, is actually the cause of your pain. You think you're resting, but your spine is actually working overtime. Your neck has a natural curve shaped like the letter C. The job of your pillow is simply protect that curve while you're asleep. But here's what really happens. Depending on your sleep position, flat pillow, your head sinks, your neck stretches, and your muscles are tense all through the night. You're basically just doing neck crunches for 8 hours. Meanwhile, overstuffed pillow could mean that your head gets pushed forward, your curve flattens, and your joints are jammed with muscle cramp. It's like you're sleeping on the wrong gear. And the deeper problem, a bad pillow blocks deep sleep, no recovery, and lack of clarity. Studies have shown that poor pillow support can increase neck pain, and that affects deep sleep. In Nigeria, over 60% of adults in cities are struggling with sleep already. So you're not alone, but that doesn't mean you have to settle either. Because when your neck is stiff, your brain feels mentally drained, and then your whole day starts on the wrong foot. Just because a pillow is made from memory foam or fiber or latex doesn't mean you'll sleep well. If it doesn't match how you sleep, it simply wouldn't work, no matter who recommended it. And that rock hard pillow, the type you buy in traffic, is not helping you. It's actually punishing you. Because real pillow support isn't just about material, it's also about alignment, keeping your head, neck, and spine in a straight line all through the night. If you're looking to fix this today, here are a few things you can do. Number 1, pick the right pillow by your sleep position. Side sleepers, for instance, you need a high loft, and by loft I just mean the height of the pillow, around 4 to 6 inches. It fills the gap between your shoulder and your head. Back sleepers, medium loft, about 3 to 5 inches. It keeps your head from tilting upwards or downwards. Stomach sleepers, a low loft, between 2 to 3 inches, or you skip the pillow. It keeps your spine from twisting. Number 2, if you're elevating your head with your hands, it's a red flag. Ever notice you instinctively slide your hand under your pillow sometimes, or you place it on top just to feel comfortable? That's not comfort, that's just compensation. It means your pillow isn't supporting your head or neck properly, and your body knows this. Subconsciously, you're adjusting to lack of loft or firmness. Number 3, replace your pillow every 18 to 24 months. Old pillow equals zero support. Over time, they flatten, they trap heat, and become a nest for dust mites. That loyal pillow you've had since NYC day, you need to let it go. A fresh pillow is a small price for pain-free sleep. Don't wait until you book in a monthly massage or relying on pain meds just to sleep. Fix your pillow, free your neck, while your day. And if you're ready for real support, check out our Winko pillow collections. Built for Nigerians, backed by sleep science. Your spine deserves better, your hustle deserves rest. Let's upgrade both.